Hi, this is Foodie Samples. Today I'm going to be making English muffins. They're from a book called Savory Baking, and the author is Erin Jeanne McDowell. Here's how the book looks. This book is really an encyclopedia of anything and everything that you could ever think of that is baked and is savory, but not sweet. So this book includes many different types of breads. You can make all different sorts, and you can also make tortillas, biscuits, you can make crackers, there's pizza dough, pretty much everything that you could even think of. I had no idea there were so many types of savory baked items, or at least I just never even thought about this many. But the one that jumped out of the page for me was the English muffins, so I'm going to be making those today. So I've already combined the bread flour, the instant dry yeast, the kosher salt, and the granulated sugar in a big bowl here. Okay, so I'm going to mix the ingredients together in the bowl, and then I'm going to add the hot water and the butter. Okay, I think that's pretty well mixed. I'm going to add the hot water and the butter now. Okay, the dough's ready to go. I'm gonna let it sit. So the dough's been sitting for about 40 minutes and it's already doubled in size. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator now. There's the dough. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator now. Okay, we're back. We've got the dough. It's been sitting for about 12 hours. Now we're going to roll out the English muffins. It smells like English muffin dough. Okay, I think this should be enough for 8 squares. Okay, these are my muffins. Now I'm supposed to let them sit for a while. I've got my English muffins ready to fry. I had to combine a couple of them because it looked like they were too small, so I have 9 total. Next, I have to sprinkle cornmeal onto each side of the muffins. They're all sprinkled. Next, I have to fry each side of them for 2 to 4 minutes. They're frying, never done this before, so it should be interesting. Okay, a couple of them are starting to look like English muffins. It's kind of amazing, but they are starting to look like English muffins, and they smell really good too. Here's how they look so far. I think the other ones are almost ready. So this is what we've got so far. I'm working on the other half. This batch is toasting up nicely because now I know what I'm doing. Okay, here are the toasted English muffins. I'm putting them in the oven for the last step, baking for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, I think it's time to take these English muffins out of the oven. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much they look like real English muffins, but maybe even better. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool and then I'm gonna try one. Check out those English muffins. Okay, I'm trying out one of the English muffins. I put peanut butter on it. Mmm. Oh my gosh, it's so good. These English muffins are definitely better than any I've ever had in a store. They are so fresh and just taste really good. Bye.